today's project will actually be to replace this strip right here. Finally got the new one in, and I already have the panel off. I'm not entirely sure how to do this. I tried to Google it, there's no answers. I think I have to unscrew something here, possibly unscrew these to get this panel off. Wish me luck, y'all. Alright, update. I just took these screws out, and oh my goodness, it's so easy. It just pops out right here, and I noticed it's tight right here, and it's just this other screw right here. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so easy. Yay! Here's just a quick look at the old versus the new. I actually had a hard time getting this one off for a second because of this. They had built up so much in there that it got stuck. To say the least, I'm glad I am replacing this. So excited. So I was cleaning everything up before installing the new part, and I realized there's some foam missing. And instead of buying a new part, I definitely just used duct tape. I'm sure it'll be fine. It's in. It's even initiated with having dog hair on it already. Door panel's back on. Yay, progress. So the next thing on the docket to change today is the motor resistor. Now the motor resistor actually lives behind the glove box. And no, I actually know nothing about cars, but Google tells me it's here. And I've already ordered the part. But the problem is, it's like way back here, and I don't think I have the tools to unscrew it. Because it's like at an angle like this. And from what I can tell, they're not like a flathead or a Phillips. But I can try. I've got some tiny screwdrivers that might work. Let's see. I just went through like all of my tools trying to get something that'll fit. And I am a total goob, and I keep all of the parts and tools that I get from like IKEA build furniture. Because no traditional tools are fitting in this angle, so I figured, why not try all my other stuff? So I found something that works, and I just need to get loose enough that I can use my fingers to unscrew the rest of it, and then we are good to go. So hopefully I can get that to work. Oh yeah! Awesome! You got it done! Alright. Okay. You just see all the bumps and whoop, all of the stuff. It's missing pieces. Actually, no, just kidding. So all of that stuff, and then this I just did, but yeah, all the bumps and things means a little chip in here has definitely gone out. So I will go get the new one. Wait. Oh my god, it's so work. I couldn't get the angle just right. What doesn't will does away, right? For the next thing on my agenda for today is installing my rain guards for my windows. I went with the in-channel kind, so we'll see how it goes. I'm supposed to dry fit them first, and then clean everything, and then take off the tape and insert them. So we'll see how this goes. So what I am doing now is actually replacing the weather stripping on the back rear liftgate window. It took a little bit of pulling, but I finally got it off, as you can see here. Yay! Then I realized, wait a second, I'm way ahead schedule here, and I need to take off all the electronic component exterior pieces and then remove the liftgate hinges in order to get it off, but that's alright. Alright, now with all of the major pieces off, the magic happens. Here it goes. It's starting to come off all the way. Yes! Such a wonderful feeling to actually get this ripped off. Easy peasy. There we go. The fun of cleaning begins. There are a lot of layers on this car. There are the glue layers, the grit and grime, there's literally pine needles stuck to the glue. It was gross. So I started off with using 409 to get all of the basic lighter layers off. You can already see it coming off right there. And then I followed that with Goo Gone, and Goo Gone leaves a really oily consistency left after you're done using it. So I wanted to ensure that the new weather stripping glue would adhere very well to the car. So I followed the Goo Gone with rubbing alcohol to remove any residue that Goo Gone had left behind to make sure that the surface was very clean and ready to go. Just in time, my sister arrives to help me glue and then replace the weather stripping. This is definitely a two-person job to be able to glue and put it on at the same time. The glue actually dried way faster than I was anticipating. So as you can see, I start off by gluing this huge section up top and I'm thinking, oh wow, we'll just pop it in, no problem. Yeah, no, we had to readjust our strategy because we realized it was drying too quickly to do this. So then we decided to glue a little bit, place a little bit, glue a little bit, place a little bit, which was definitely a team effort. Thanks to my sister for helping out.
And just like that, we're done. All of the updates are complete.